welcome back to Festive Forever. So today we are gonna do our another cuisine vlog and आज हम Mexican food खाने वाले हैं. वैसे तो Mexican food में tortilla ही होता है, but then there are different kinds of it. Like they have a soft one and then they have hard one, a lot of it. And I'm pretty sure that there are Mexican food lovers out there. So you guys and all of you are definitely going to love this vlog. So let's get started. So guys, if we are talking about Mexican food, what is the first thing that appears in your head? Because मैं जब भी Mexican food के बारे में सोचती हूँ, that one thing that appears in my head, it's like, ooh, nachos. Like I have to order nachos. If I'm talking about Mexican food, nachos के बिना तो ये vlog बन ही नहीं सकता. So here we have our loaded nachos from Las Tapas. Like that, I think that's what it's called, and these are so cheap. Like for 110 rupees you're getting nachos, and I'm pretty sure that they are good. So let's just go ahead. Okay, I think for 110 rupees the quantity is quite sufficient because I can see it and I can tell it कि quantity थोड़ी sufficient ही है. Let's just go ahead and open it. So here we have our loaded nachos. I can see these crispy nachos and topped with some melted cheese, beans. As you can see, there are some beans and then there is some corn, olive, jalapenos, and of course some salsa. Like you can definitely see some tomatoes and some onions over here. Cheese is little less, but then I think for 110 rupees it's quite sufficient. I'm gonna try this cheese one, like where I can see a lot of cheese. My mouth is going to get messy, guys. These are really good. I loved it because you know it has this tangy and spicy taste, which is like the best combination to have it with nachos. If you're gonna order nachos at home, which are like loaded nachos, they're obviously going to turn a little soggy, right? But then I think it's absolutely tasty. It's that kind of a thing, you know, even if it's soggy, I'm still going to order it because I loved it. Like the taste is good. It has the perfect combination of tangy and spicy, which is like my personal favorite. And yeah, they are really tasty. Cheese is little less, but you can always ask them to put more cheese in case you want it. So I think I loved it. Moving on, the next thing that we have over here and which immediately popped up in my head when I was thinking about Mexican food are these tacos. Now these tacos are from New York Burrito Company and I really like their packaging. They have provided us with hand sanitizer before we actually open this bag, and then they have also given certain directions like which steps are to follow for our safety. So I like that they are being concerned about our health. Really sweet of them. So these tacos are for rupees 195. Actually डिलीवरी चार्जेस से ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया, अदरवाइज आई डोंट थिंक सो दीज आर लाइक दैट एक्सपेंसिव. इट वॉज फॉर रुपीज़ अराउंड इट वॉज फॉर रुपीज़ 160 somewhere, but then those delivery charges and everything, it went up to 195. But yeah, I'm very impressed with their packaging. It looks absolutely cute and yeah, they have done a good job. So here we have our tacos. These are really cute tacos. These are hard shell tacos. Like there were two kind of tacos, soft shell and hard shell. I opted for hard shell and they have certain vegetables in it and some sauces. The ingredients are something that will give you sour taste. That's what they claimed. I don't know, for that we have to taste, but we can definitely see here some different kind of sauces. I can also see some tomatoes, some cabbage, some lettuce, some cheese, probably some cheese, and then some kind of red sauce and some kind of white sauce. So these two kind of sauce they have it. So let's just go ahead and have a bite. It's actually really sour. Like, I had the first bite and that sour thing immediately hit me. They have this some kind of brown sauce with the red sauce, so I think that thing is really sour. So I guess I could taste a lot of sourness. Cheese का इतना taste नहीं आ रहा है, but yeah, I loved it. It's definitely good. And wow. In fact, the sourness is also coming from the tomatoes. There are a lot of tomatoes. Cheese you won't feel that much, like it's very less in quantity, but guys, very delicious. You feel like having tacos. I'm pretty sure that this place serves amazing tacos. 2 tacos for 195 rupees, but I think the flavors and taste are so good. I feel like the price is kind of worth it. And also for 195 you get the 2 tacos, but there are also other options. Like I think there were 3 tacos or 4 tacos which you get for more price. So if you want, you can order that one also. So I think I'm definitely going to give a thumbs up to this amazing dish. And yeah, now let me just have it. I loved it. Okay guys, dish number 3 that we have over here is from May's Mexican Kitchen. Finally I said it right. So मैंने इसे खोल दिया already because I just wanted to save my efforts. And this dish is called mushroom burrito bowl. It kind of looks cute, right? Okay, you guys can't see it, but I can see it. It's kind of cute. And here we also have some kind of sauces. I don't know. For that I have to taste it. I cannot just tell you, right? Let's open it. Ooh, I can see a lot of lettuce over here and some cheese. I think Mexican people cannot live without lettuce and jalapenos and some olives. I think it's that thing, right? Everything has to have olives. The core ingredient of this dish are these mushrooms, and guys, these mushrooms are house made, okay? There is some cream cheese, then cilantro, lime rice, black beans and some salsa. Even the salsa is house made. So yeah, there are a lot of things which are house made. A lot of lettuce, you can directly see it. I just want to show you their mushroom because I really liked it. It has this dark color which looks absolutely good, and they also have some kind of sauces over here. So we are just gonna add them into this and then taste it. So let's just add some of it. I really liked the concept, house made mushrooms, house made salsa. Mushrooms are good for sure. Okay. The quantity of rice is a little less. You can taste more of mushroom, but I think that was the basic concept of their meal. So yeah, a lot of mushroom, and mushrooms are really good guys. मतलब mushroom का बहुत ही अच्छा taste है. One thing about this dish that I didn't like it, I feel that the cheese is kind of ruining the taste. Okay, so I believe कि Mexican dishes जो होती है mostly they have this sour taste. It's tasting good, but then for me I feel like the combination of cheese and that sour taste in this dish did not really work for me. I'm just gonna try the sauces because there are so many things in this dish, so I want to actually just taste like this. This is spicy. Sour. Yeah, sour and spicy actually. Now let's have something really expensive. Amongst all things, like every order. I think this one is the most expensive one. This was for rupees 523. I hope it's worth it. Let's, box is kind of huge. This is actually really huge, this wrap. It's loaded with lots of tortilla. So, and also I can see some rice. This is kind of huge, but I'm not sure why is it for rupees 500. And then some chicken. Okay. Some beans. The rice is green. Oh, that was quite rhythmic. So yeah, let's go ahead and take a bite with this, of course, some sauce. I think this is salsa sauce. I don't know. Okay guys, this wrap is from Jam Jar Diner and it was for rupees 523. This is grilled chicken crunch wrap, and yeah, if I want to talk about this wrap, I don't think so. I really liked it because first तो मतलब बहुत ही महंगा था. It was for rupees 523 and I felt okay, maybe there must be something really good. Not really. It's, yeah, there is a lot of chicken but it's quite dry and bland, and इसमें ज़्यादा flavors नहीं है. Like you cannot taste any flavor. It has some charcoal kind of flavor but nothing dominating. It's just bland, you know. And also 523 was too much for this dish, and yeah, it's definitely huge but then it's not really flavorful, and no, I don't think so. I like that. I'm kind of full guys and I don't really have any space left in my stomach, but itni choti si, like a very little space left, or I have made it in my stomach to eat some dessert. So here we have our delicious dessert from let me check. Burger. Okay, what is it exactly? Okay, Big Mouth Burgers and Burrito. This is banana Nutella quesadilla. Ooh, wow, this looks cute. And let's get a closer look. These are like 4 in number. I already counted, but then I'm just gonna show you, like 1, 2, 3 and 4. Quite huge, literally quite huge. And let's open it. Lots of Nutella and banana. Very simple. So here we have our Nutella banana quesadilla, and this was for rupees 285. They are quite huge in size. Huge, not huge, like they are big in size. So I guess the price is kind of justified, but then it will be justified once the taste is good. So let's go ahead and take a bite. Very simple and basic, loaded with lots of Nutella and banana. Normal, nothing wow about it. Okay, like I liked it. I don't think so I have any complaints, but I don't have any wow factor also. So I'm gonna be neutral, like Nutella in this case. You get it, right? Okay, that was really lame. Anyways, so I'm gonna eat it and enjoy. I have no space left, but yeah. So guys, we are done eating और मैंने इतना खा लिया है कि if I have like even a bite, I'm pretty sure that I'm gonna puke. So no more eating. Other than that, now let's come to the important aspect of our vlog, that is my festive rating on my festive meter. So if I have to talk about my experience, some of the dishes were really brilliant. Some of them were okay, not that great, but nothing was bad. Everything was quite tasty. Only somewhere I felt that one of the dishes was overpriced. Other than that, I think rest of the dishes were pretty good and brilliant. So I'm gonna rate my experience 8.5 out of 10 on my festive meter. Okay, I have reduced the rating only because of the one dish which was overpriced. Other than that, I think my experience was brilliant. I like Mexican food and I pretty much enjoyed it. So I hope you also enjoyed my vlog, and if you did, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any suggestion regarding my upcoming vlogs or anything specifically that you want to see on my channel, please leave it in the comment section below. I will definitely make it. I hope you guys have a beautiful weekend, days or a week, like whenever you see my vlog. So guys, that's all for today. I'm gonna end my vlog over here and see you in my next vlog. Till then, live life festive style. Bye bye.